Weekends are for fun. Weekends are for friends and family. Weekends are meant for us to unwind from a busy and hectic work life. Today is a weekend and we are out to do just that. And yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel.
I didn't have anything. I would like to have padal bhaji. Show the happiness on your face.
There it is.
See.
Yes.
Now you can record my face.
सलाड भाजी बोल रहा था मेरी सलाड
तो ये सलाड भाजी. Sorry Patram, अभी repeat मत करा. I don't want that to be repeated.
You're Jenny.
और तो मैंने
जेंसन के स्टाइल में इंग्लिश बोलने गया
take English.
सो अजय बोलता है.
So we decided to come to Surla for the trek, and we realized that the way over there is closed. So we were redirected inside the village, and thanks to a local connection over here, we finally found a spot to park our car, and now we are going to initiate the trek. That's what she said.
फक्त अर्धवर बेस्ट मरे.
क्या हुआ रे? 50% लंग कैप.
We are the only guys.
After hiking for almost 2 kilometers, we finally arrived at the location. It was just perfect. We were the only people there and we couldn't have asked for anything more. The water level was down, but that was not really a problem. In fact, it was more beneficial to us.
Don't throw the camera.
I lost one to drowning.
किती वेळ म्हणता
Okay.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold.
On the edge, like literally, you have to live life on the edge.
Thank you for watching the video, folks. I hope you liked it. But hold on. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Picture अभी बाकी है.
तो लग्न नहीं करने का, करने का और लाइफ एंजॉय करने का। ये 1 2 3 4 लोग जो है वो लग्न करके बैठे हैं इधर और ये तो है
सीधा रास्ते में जाने का, थोड़े वक्त तक।
हाँ, सीधा जाने का, एंजॉय करने का लाइफ और लिव लाइफ ऑन द एज, लाइक लिटरली यू हैव टू लिव लाइफ ऑन द एज।
Goa has so many hidden places and hidden beauties. Like
चित्ता मरा था।
अरे I started rolling.
See, Goa has so many hidden beauties and so many hidden charm. आता तो उड़ाग मारता हूँ। राव रे, feel it, समझ रहा हूँ।
Take one. Cut. Take one.
So many hidden charm. Like राव रे, 2 मिनट दिल चित्ता रे।
बाद में जाएगा। GoPro stop recording.
GoPro बंद आ रहे.
GoPro stop recording.